Hello, welcome to Physics at Bay House School. This is our alternative to a sixth form open evening. My name is Mrs. Brunink and I am the Physics Coordinator at Bay House School. I've got just under 5 minutes to tell you a little bit about studying at Bay House and to hopefully answer the questions you would have asked me at the open evening. I'm not going to read what's on my slides. You can pause the video and read that. But obviously physics is the understanding of how the world around us works, lets us know the fundamental laws that govern interactions between particles, which obviously then grow to explain most of the rest of our universe. So if that fascinates you, then A-level physics is definitely for you. Why come to Bay House rather than anywhere else? We have fantastic exam results. Looking at this, you can see that other than one student in 2019, everybody passed physics in the last 3 years. And looking at the A star to B, we've got some impressive percentages there. 13 topics in the A-level. The first 5 build on your GCSE subjects. They are taught in the first year, split between 2 teachers. The working as a physicist topic is split between both teachers at the beginning and sets you up for an understanding of how to apply uncertainties, how to write reports, how to take measurements, how to be accurate, etc. So mechanics and electrical circuits split between 2 teachers in the autumn term, materials and waves split between 2 teachers in the spring term. The summer term, after we've sat some AS papers as practice, we then look at looking at the second year content, so further mechanics will be taught in the summer term. And then in year 2, we have a whole range of topics which are more new to you. And possibly most students say that these are a little bit more exciting than the topics they've done in the lower 6. They're a little bit more cutting edge. They link more to fields in the real world where research is still going on. So at the end of the 2 years, you've done your studying, you've done your revising. There are 3 papers to be sat. The topics on this table match up with the slides that we had previously. So paper 1, 45 minutes and almost half of the topics. Paper 2, another hour 45 and the rest of the topics. And then paper 3, 2 hours 30 minutes with all of the topics combined and lots of questions that link the topics together. For example, electric fields and gravitational fields have a lot of similarities between them, but they appear separately on paper 1 and paper 2. So questions that ask about both will be, and the analogies between them will be on paper 3, as well as questions about your practical work. And the practical work we do many practicals, but 16 throughout the year, the 2 years, are required by the exam board, and we have to assess you against a certain set of criteria in order to achieve the certificate of practical competence, which most universities will ask for, as well as the A-level grade. Okay. Everybody so far, since this was introduced, has passed it. There are plenty of opportunities. Should you miss a practical, there is an opportunity to catch up on another date. Just a little bit of extra information. Obviously, to get on the course, you need your 6, ideally a 7, but we would welcome you onto the course with a 6, and we would give you an extra booster class just to help you get started. Obviously, you need to pass your English and your maths. If you wish to do 2 sciences or science and maths, one of them needs to be at a grade 7 to do that. You don't have to take maths A-level in order to do physics A-level. We do strongly recommend it, but we have had some students go through the 2 years without taking it. It does make it a little bit harder. A couple of years ago, we've had some trips to CERN. Obviously, COVID has put pay to that this year, but hopefully we'll be up and running with our trips to CERN again in the upper 6, hopefully in the not too distant future. Just a few comments from students here talking about why it's good to use Bay House. And of course, finally, if you enjoy physics, you've got a good strength in maths, you're curious about the world around you, and you want to know how it works in more detail, then we would welcome you to come and join us on an A-level physics course at Bay House School. Take care.